Yes, students, in this section we will discuss about the types of motion. Previous sections we have discussed about the motion, what is a motion and what is a rest. Today we are going to discuss about the types of motion. Means already I have told you, different objects move in different direction, different positions, not in same ways. So there are different types of motion. So these motions mentioned here first: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion. These are the main types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion. It should be keep in your mind, one object can be observed by two types of motion, not only one type of motion. So we will discuss here in detail types of motion. First, rectilinear motion. When any objects move in a straight line, is called rectilinear motion. For example, when car move on the road, straight road, then it is called rectilinear motion. Or the movement of bullet from a fire in straight line. These are the example of the rectilinear motion. Or march past of the soldiers in parade on the Republic Day or the Independence Day or in any annual functions. These are the example of the rectilinear motions. Motion of vehicle in straight roads on a straight line. These are the example of the rectilinear motion. Means when an objects move in a straight line, then it is called the rectilinear motion. And these are the example of the rectilinear motion. Example of the rectilinear motion: bullet from the gun, or car move on straight road. These are the example of the rectilinear motion. Next, after the rectilinear motion, circular motion. What is the circular motion? When an object move round and round or in shape of a circle, then it is called circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. For example, the movement of moon around the earth. Moon move around the earth in a circular path. Earth move around the sun in circular path. So these are the example of the circular motion. Or if you will take a string and one end of the string you will tie in your finger and other end of the string you will tie on a stone, then you will start whirling. Then which types of this motion? These are this is a circular motion. Means stone move in a circular path. So these are the example of the circular motion. Means all the planets move around the sun in circular path, and all the satellites move around the planets in circular path. So these are the example of the circular path. Means circular motion. When objects move in a circular path, then it is called circular motion. After the circular motion, next, rotational motion and periodic motion. So first we should know what is a periodic motion and rotational motion both. Periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself after regular intervals time. For example, second hands, minute hands and hour hands of your hand clock. Second hands continue move in after 60 seconds in one round. Earth move around the sun it will take time in fixed time. For one round complete in fixed time. About 1 year, 365 days and 1 by 4 days, sorry. Or moon move around the earth in fixed interval time, nearly 1 month. Means when an object move in fixed interval times, repeats itself after regular intervals of time, it is called periodic motion. Periodic motion means after one period, means fixed in regular interval of times. After one regular interval of times, it repeats itself. Minute hands always move in one round of your clock in 60 minutes. Hour hand of your clock always move in one round in every regular interval of time in 12 hours. So, these are the example of the periodic motion. But after periodic motion, next rotational motion. Rotational motion means when an object move at a fixed axis, not in fixed path, then it is called rotational motion. Means when an object turns or spins like this, spins about a fixed axis, is called rotational motion. Example of rotational motion: our earth also turns round and round on its axis. Then we will say what? Rotation of motion. The spinning of earth on its axis is an example of rotational motion. Your cycle wheel rotate on its axis. Rotation of a windmill or turning of a potter's wheel at a fixed place, at a fixed axis, potter's wheel move round and round. It is a rotational motion. Your fan, room fan, ceiling fan move at a fixed point, motion and motion. So, turning of a bicycle wheel is the example of rotational motion. Turning of a ball is the example of a rotational motion. So, you should remember it. The difference between the circular motion and rotational motion is that in circular motion, an object as a whole travels, whole object travels in a circular motion path, but in rotational motion, the object spins on its axis. You should keep in your mind first, in circular motion, whole objects move in a circular path. But in rotational motion, whole objects does not move in circular path. Objects spins in own axis. For example, your cycle wheel round and round spins in your wheel axis. So these are the example of the periodic motion. So periodic motion, rotational motion, circular motion, rectilinear motion. After this, we will discuss about next step. After motion, measurement and length. What is the measurement and what is the length? We will clear and discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.